afternoon, and thanks for tuning in to First at 4. I'm Don Jorgensen.
And I'm Kelly Volk. A community in Wisconsin is mourning the death of a deputy killed in the line of duty. Deputy Caitlin Lysing was making a traffic stop on Saturday when she was shot and killed.
She was responding to a report of a drunk driver. Lysing was a member of the Pennington County Sheriff's Office just last year, and her former co-workers and friends in uniform are mourning her loss. We're going to talk with the members of the Sheriff's Office in the full story tonight on KELOLAND News at 6. The Drug Enforcement Administration Omaha Division arrested dozens of people in connection with a nationwide operation to stop fentanyl and meth from ending up in the U.S. The DEA Omaha Division covers South Dakota, North Dakota, Iowa, Minnesota, and Nebraska. Operation Last Mile found direct connections between the Sinaloa and Jalisco cartels with the communities across the nation. Investigators say that the two cartels use violent street gangs and criminal groups to flood communities with huge amounts of fentanyl and meth. The DEA Omaha Division arrested 87 people and seized 60 firearms. Across the country, law enforcement arrested more than 3,300 people while seizing 44 million fentanyl pills and more than 91,000 pounds of meth.
Well, we had a beautiful day today. Did you get outside?
This morning I did, yeah, for a little bit, and it was beautiful all across KELOLAND, it sounds like, Adam.
Yeah, it certainly has been a beautiful day across the region. A lot of sunshine in a couple of areas, some fair weather clouds, but that's been just about it. One small exception has been just a few little showers trying, and I do mean trying to make their presence known out toward the hills. This is a view from our wall radar. North of Rapid City, you can see just a few of those little specks of green trying to come around, but beyond that, it has been very quiet across KELOLAND. But that's not going to be the case all the time, as we do have basically what amounts to a daily chance for some instability. Some days are going to have better opportunities than others, which we'll go into a little more detail on as we head through the hour. But take a look at the scene in Pierre. Gorgeous afternoon out there. 66 degrees with some fair weather clouds above, and that's really just about it. Not even much of a breeze out there. A variable wind at 3 miles per hour here in Sioux Falls as we take a look at Falls Park. Again, fair weather clouds above. 79 degrees, though. It has been a nice warm day across the southeastern portions of the region, especially. In fact, we got up to 81 in Spencer, 78 right now in Yankton, 75 Worthington, 71 Marshall and Brookings, 74 for Chamberlain and Valentine. Winter at 73, 71 Phillip at 65. Still not bad up toward Faith. Winds have been, to say the least, have been pretty tolerable. 5 to 10 miles per hour in many locations. That's not bad at all. So beyond the little bits of shower activity trying to come around, a little bit of cloud cover over the hills, not to mention fair weather clouds to the east. That's really been it. But that's not going to be the case, especially as we head later into the week. We're going to be talking about the potential for showers and thunderstorms at times, the latter of which could become strong to severe. Details on that, your full work week forecast and your 7-day forecast for that matter, all coming up as we head through the hour.
Thanks a lot, Adam. This week, you might see a few crews cleaning up in the ditches along I-90 in western South Dakota. On Wednesday and Thursday, the Department of Transportation will be picking up litter along I-90 between Black Hawk and Rapid City. Drivers are asked to use caution in these areas as crews work to clean up the area. The city of Sioux Falls and the DOT are now reviewing bids for the first segment of construction for South Veterans Parkway. This would cover the section from Cliff Avenue to Western Avenue, that's shaded in red. Now, according to a letter from city engineer Andy Berg, 4 bids were received for the $44 million project. South Veterans Parkway will connect I-90 and I-29 in eastern and southern Sioux Falls. North Veterans Parkway, which currently runs from I-90 to 57th Street, will be connected by South Veterans Parkway.
Several severe storms brought large hail and strong winds across Iowa on Sunday. About an hour east of Des Moines in Grinnell, Iowa, several hotels were pelted with hailstones as big as baseballs. The hail tore through the siding and shattered hotel windows. Some cars in the parking lots were so damaged that they couldn't be driven. Hotel guests and employees were left dumbfounded by the hailstorm's wrath.
You can see the hood got beat up pretty good, and there's windshield got cracked. Ooh, yeah, the windshield really did get cracked.
You looked at it, and they were like little pea-sized hail inside the bigger one. So I guess it's almost like a snowball when you roll it. It just keeps getting bigger as it comes through the storm.
Honestly, it kind of sounded like a tornado. I was wondering if that's what was happening, because it was so loud. I had called my husband to make sure him and the boys were okay at home, and he couldn't even hear me, and I couldn't hear him because it was so loud.
And despite the thousands of dollars in damage, Country Inn & Suites remains open for guests.